Alrighty, fellas, so me and Caden were at lunch, and we checked the security cameras because our lawnmower was missing. So it got stolen, and yeah, that's not a good thing. Our orange lawnmower is gone. It can't be too far because it only happened 35 minutes ago. But yeah, that's not a great. It's kind of a block in our path, but hopefully we can find it in today's video. Alrighty, fellas, so we ended up finding the lawnmower in an alleyway. Unfortunately, we didn't get it on video because we didn't really know who was around, so we just didn't really video anything. But I'll give you some update. The front left tire is blown out, and it won't fire up. We don't think they actually ever would have got it running. That's why they kind of just left it there. But yeah, we're gonna have to try and find who this guy is and hopefully get him into some trouble, some fines. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.